In this section, I just want to provide a high-level overview of the new social profile and social activity entities that were introduced with this release. Social profiles and social activities are both new entities introduced for integration with social applications. Social profiles represents a person's social profile on a social channel such as Twitter or Facebook. A social activity represents a post on a social network such as a Twitter or Facebook post. One of the first things you may notice is that you cannot manually create social profile or social activity records in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Records for these entities can only be created programmatically through the available APIs. If you have an application that monitors social channels, you can use these APIs to create social records in CRM. Once these records are created programmatically, they cannot be edited within Microsoft Dynamics CRM user interface, except for some small changes like reassigning records. More information about the APIs will be available in the Microsoft Dynamics CRM SDK, including a sample app. As mentioned within the automatic case creation rules section, there is the ability to use that feature along with social monitoring. So if you do have an integration like this that is creating social activities based off of posts from social networks, you could use that feature to automatically create cases based off of those social activities if certain conditions are met. So you can find additional information on these topics within the CRM help or the CRM SDK. The last thing I did want to mention though is that there is a new system setting that was introduced within the administration settings area, and that's the ability to disable social engagement. So if you're wondering what that setting is for, if you turn that on, it would prevent any of these APIs from being used to create social profiles and social activities. So if you did have an integration set up with CRM to create those type of records, switching that setting to yes would prevent the creation of those type of records. If for some reason you need to stop that integration quickly, you could switch that setting to disable it.